Hello students, in previous lecture we have discussed problem associated with mirror of size of mirror required to view image. Now we going to discuss two more further questions जो थोड़े advanced हैं. अभी तक हम जो कर रहे थे we have studied that size of mirror required to view image complete image जो हमें दिखाई दे इस h/2 ऑब्जेक्ट की जो हाइट है उसका क्या होगा हाफ और उसको कहाँ रखना है दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन कि ऑब्जेक्ट की उसकी आई जो उसका वो जहाँ से ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है वो कहाँ है. सिमिलरली अब हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे वी गोना डिस्कस फर्दर प्रॉब्लम्स इन विच एक ऑब्जेक्ट रखेंगे एंड वी हैव टू सी इमेज ऑफ दिस ऑब्जेक्ट जिसको ये ना देखे कोई और देखेगा. सो लेट्स डिस्कस इट. In this plane mirror I am placing one object A having height 1 meter which is you can say at a distance 1 meter x meter away from this one. And I am taking one other object B which is 2 meter long and the distance between this one and this one is 1 meter. Okay. Now we are going to make images. Let's discuss this is also 1 meter. In the question it is given that object A is placed having height 1 meter and it is 1 meter away from plane mirror. Object B having height 2 meter and it is 2 meter away from the plane mirror. Now we have to find size of mirror required to view complete image of A to B. A की इमेज किसको दिखाई दे कंप्लीट B को. सो व्हाट वी गोना डू हमें यहाँ से A का जो फुट पार्ट है बॉटम दैट शुड बी सीन टू B एंड इट्स टॉप दैट शुड बी सीन टू B. सो and ray is coming up from bottom of the B A to B. Second ray should be go like this is your ray going like this and it is reflecting at B and while tracing it back it is going like this part and from here it is going like this is A dash and B dash. Okay. Now we are going to discuss. Consider this height as x. If object is at 1 meter away, then image will be also, this is it is looking quite long, but it is 1 meter only. So this is also 1 meter. And now we're gonna say naming. This is M1, M2, M3. In triangle M1, M2, B dash, this triangle, triangle M1, M2 and B dash, and triangle B dash, B dash, B, actually it's not A dash, okay, leave it, no problem. B dash, B, D, B dash, B, D. In triangle B dash, M1, M2, this small triangle, and capital bigger one, B dash, B, D, both are similar. So we can directly say X by 1, M1, M2 by M1, B dash is equal to this one, 2 meter, because its height is, we have to calculate, this is 2 meter. 2 divided by total distance is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. You can say B dash D. M1, M2 we have to find. M1, B dash, it is 1 meter. M1, M2 we have to calculate. This is 1, 2 divided by 3. So M1, M2 is equal to 2 by 3. So this height, that X is equal to 2 by 3. Now we have to calculate only this part, this one. So I am just constructing a straight ray like this, and I am placing its name as P. I am just erasing this part. I am just saying this is P. In triangle B, M3, M4, not M3. In triangle B, M4, M3, this triangle B, M4, M3, another one B, P, A dash, these two triangles. We can say B, M4, M3, and further B, P, A dash. These two triangles are similar. Now B, M4 is 1 plus 1, 2. This is 2 meter. And M4, P, it is 1 meter, and this P, A dash, total distance is 2 meter, because height of object B is 2 meter. So we can say this is complete one is 2, but height of this one should be 1 meter, because हमें पता है ये चीज प्लेन मिरर की प्रॉपर्टी है, height of object and height of image will be same. तो ये दोनों सेम रहेंगे, तो ये 1 मीटर ही रहेगा, तो कितना बचा आपका 1 मीटर. So this will be 1 meter. We have to find this one. So we can say M3, M4, small triangle M3, M4 divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by total 3. So M3, M4 is equal to 2 by 3. आपका ये डिस्टेंस आ गया 2 by 3, ये वाला आ गया 2 by 3. So रिमेनिंग कितना है, टोटल हाइट कितनी है 2. सो m2 m3 is equal to 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. So this is size of mirror required to view complete image. एक बार वापस फटाफट सुन लो what we have did. This is object A and we have to see complete image of this object by B. B को इसकी पूरी इमेज देखनी है तो हमें क्या करना है सबसे पहले फर्स्ट हमें उसका जो हेड टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट है उसको B पे भेजना है एंड बॉटम जो लास्ट पॉइंट है उसको भी B पे उसको दिखाई देना चाहिए. फाइन. Then we just retrace ray back and we know the property of plane mirror that height of object is same as height of image and distance between from plane of mirror, distance of object from plane mirror and image are equal. So उसी property को use करके and we have used properties of similar triangle and we have done this thing. Now we are going to discuss one more problem associated with this question only. इसमें हम अपनी जो उसकी आई है ऑब्जर्वर पॉइंट वो एग्जैक्टली टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट पे नहीं होगा कहीं और होगा. देन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट साइज ऑफ मिरर. कंसीडर एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ हाइट 1 meter and it is away from plane mirror 1 meter. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, I am just considering another object, I am just naming this object as PQ and I am considering one other object two meter from this 3 meter from plane mirror and height of this object is 7 meter. एंड जो हमारी आई उसकी जो आई है वो कहाँ पे है 2 मीटर फ्रॉम डाउन फ्रॉम अपसाइड. सो दिस इज 5 मीटर. अब आपको इसकी इमेज कंप्लीट इमेज देखनी है इस पे. व्हाट वी गोना डू, सबसे पहले हम एक इमेज बना लेंगे फटाफट पी क्यू की. एग्जैक्ट सेम डिस्टेंस 1 मीटर एंड सेम हाइट. You can just draw like this. This is P dash Q dash. अब इसको बनाएंगे कैसे? The bottom part should be touched to this one. So I'm just making like this. Ray is going like this. Ray from PQ, from Q it is going in this manner and retracing its path at this point. Similarly for P, we have to retrace first. You can say these are the ray representation. Ray from bottom of object having height 1 meter is going like this in this manner and it is coming towards back. Similarly for this one, topmost point should be seen to this point and your eye is at point E and I am just naming this one as R. Now we have to calculate size of mirror. So only this part we have to calculate. So I am just saying this one is M1, this point is M2, M3 and now first we have to calculate M1, M2 this point. I am just saying this is X. Again we can say this small triangle and the bigger one both are similar. In triangle M1 Q dash M2 this is small one, m1 q dash m2, this one, and q dash e r, both are similar. So x divided height divided by base, height divided by base is equal to height. This height is ER is 7 minus 2, it is 5 meter. 5 divided by total distance. This is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So this is 4. So x becomes 5 by 4. This distance is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So your x become 5 by 4. Now we have to calculate only m2, m3. What I am doing? I am just drawing a straight line which is meeting at this point. Total height, this total height is 5 meter and this height is 1 meter. So remaining kitna hai? 4 meter. Total height is 5 meter from eye to eye, and this is height of image is 1 meter. So remaining one is 4 meter. This P dash, I am just considering this name as E dash, and this one M4. Triangle E M4 M3, this small triangle and उसका associate बड़ा वाला, दोनों क्या होंगे? Similar. Triangle E M4 M3, this triangle E M4 M3 is similar to triangle E dash P dash. Again I am saying this one as y. तो छोटे ट्राइंगल में हाइट अपॉन बेस, बेस कितना होगा आपका? ये 3 मीटर, टोटल 2 plus 1, y by 3 is equal to, this is 4, 4 divided by total is 4 because this is 1 meter from here, 4 divided by 4. So y becomes 3. So this is 3. अब आपको फाइंड करनी ये वाली हाइट. This total height is 5 meter, RE. Now you have to find M2, M3. So M2, M3 is equal to, total height is 5 minus x minus y, which is 5 minus 5 by 4 minus 3, which will be 3 by 4. Not 3 by 4. 5 minus 2, correct. 2 minus 5 by 4, yeah. Okay.